introduction. Tell me about yourself. This is your first question if you will go in the any interview.
I will start.
Yeah, start.
Okay. Good evening. Thanks for giving me this golden opportunity to introduce myself before this panel. My name is Emriaz. I am from UP. I have done my schooling from Queen's College at Varanasi in UP and graduation from UP College at Varanasi in UP. I had made up my mind to become a software tester. I love to be software tester.
Okay.
I am a software tester with 4 years of experience in the software testing field. In my QA career, I have been working on various system platforms and operating systems like Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 10, and Unix. I have tested applications developing Java, C++, and Visual Basic, and so on. I have tested web-based applications as well as client-server applications. As a QA person, I have written test plans, test cases, attended walkthrough meetings with the business analyst, project manager, business manager, and QA leads. I have attended requirement review meetings and provided feedback to the business analyst. I have worked in different databases like Oracle and DB2, wrote SQL queries to retrieve data from the database, as well as different type of testing are concerned. I have performed smoke testing, functional testing, back-end testing, black box testing, integration testing, regression testing, and UI testing. I have participated in load testing and street testing. I have written defects as they are found using test director. Once the defect were faced, retested them, and if the passed, closed them. If the defect were not fixed, then reopened them. I have also attended the defect assessment meeting as necessary. In the meantime, a continued interaction with the developer was necessary. This is pretty much what I have been doing as a QA person.
Okay. Others can start. Anyone can start. Tell me about yourself. Swab, can you start? Tell me about yourself. Hey guys, you are working right in MSc. So you have to. My question is, tell me about yourself. Then I will tell you what you have to speak. Okay. So what is your point of view? What is you will tell? Okay. Who will come? Zina, can you go ahead? Tell me about yourself.
No, sorry.
Hey,
Someone.
I will give you some basic idea. Then I will come. Okay, I will also join with. Tell me about yourself and all.
No, actually.
Okay.
It's okay. Someone try means better, right?
Okay. I will tell you. Just I have a one question. Tell me about your roles and responsibility in your project right now.
Right now, my role is full automation. Full. I'm writing a full test script related as cross-process testing and hybrid framework.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, no problem. Who is next? Akshita, can you explain? Tell me about yourself.
Hello everybody, I am Akshita. I have completed my graduation from Mumbai University in the year 2016 and I am looking for a job into IT sector. Right now, I'm working as a HR executive in Higher Right at ITPL Bangalore.
Okay. Ashok, I think you are engineer, so I am expecting for more what you can explain. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah,
I'm not an engineer.
Yeah, am I audible?
yeah. I'm able to.
Yeah, okay. My name is Shoaib Khan,
Okay.
and I have four. And I have done Bachelor of Engineering from Mumbai University. I am from Mumbai, and previously I was working as a manual tester in Sintel, that was in Pune location. And post that, I started working in Hexaware as a testing analyst, and I was part of a team which used to gather requirement for the client from the client as well, and I used to prepare and it was a dual role of manual testing as well as of business analyst. I was involved in like preparing the BRDs and FRDs and dealing with the client and stakeholders on daily basis and on the call as well. And currently I'm working in all digital. I'm working as a manual as well as automation tester over there. And my current roles and responsibility is like to automate the manual processes which they are doing it on the web and on the mobile application which they are using it.
Okay, good. Just you have to tell me about yourself. That's it. Preeti. Anything. What is your profile right now? That's it. You should not explain. Then I will tell you what is the exact we have to speak if you are going as a testing profile. Okay.
I'm not ready.
Okay, no problem. No problem. So as a tester,
Sorry.
if you will go, no problem. As a tester, 4 to 5 year experience. Generally, we are going right as the experience profile. So what you have to speak. So first thing, this tell me about yourself. Tell me about yourself. Don't tell me about your roles and responsibility and all, because I will not speak. I will give to chance to the interviewer. Will throw the question, then I will explain. Then I will explain. I am explaining, he is listening, right? But he is not expecting what he is. Sometimes he is not expecting what you are speaking, right? So introduction is very short. So what you have to tell? First you will tell your name, where are you from, then come with your graduation, then come with your company, which company, how many experience you have. Tell me about your relevant experience, how your experience you worked as automation and manual testing. Come with your skill. This is your skill. Here the main thing, the interviewer will cross question after you will finish. Tell me about yourself. Okay, this is a skill part. About my skill, this part. Just don't make the board this session. Tell me about yourself. I will give the chance to the interviewer to pick from my skill. Then I will present my skill to the interviewer. So this is your first skill is very important. Then he will come with your, just tell your hobbies. So hobbies like something you will make it interesting. They will focus on this. Oh, your hobby is like that. Okay. So I just when we are starting demo interview, here don't discuss your company name. Okay, I am working in XYZ company. Okay, like that you have to speak. Like if I will, in my point of view, if I am going to attend the interview, because I will not tell you just follow me, because according to yourself you can present to the interviewer. Okay, but you will get some idea from me, right? Because everybody knows about yourself, not this is the technical part and this is the concept. So this is just according to my point of view. This is Mohit. I am from Bihar. I have done graduation from West Bengal University. I have overall like more than 4-year experience and in the testing profile. And about my relevant experience, like more than 3 years work as automation testing profile. And many I work on manual testing. I having the knowledge of DevOps also. About my skill, I am good in Core Java, Selenium, manual testing, SQL, Linux. I know Python also, Python and Python, core Python and advanced Python as well. And I have knowledge about Linux and shell scripting as well. About my hobbies, I am, I like cooking and listening song. So that's all about myself. But I missed one more point. Currently I am working in XYZ company, right? Since this year. So this is, short introduction. Then after that, they will come to you. They will focus on, you said you are doing code Java. How will you rate out of 10 in the code Java? So rating, I know 10% I know, but nothing is 100%, right? Might be they will ask some question, I don't know also, because huge syllabus and huge library in the code Java, right? Some developer are sitting there, then they can ask some development part. I'm not able to tell. So never tell this is the average point 7. I will rank in out of 10. I will give the 7. So like that, then they will tell you, they will ask, okay, 7 is a good rating in my point of view. Yeah, this is good rating. They will ask the question and they will move in the technical. What is an interface? They are coming with core Java. If you are going to the automation profile, out of 10 company, 8 company will come with core Java. 80% they will cover in the interview only core Java, and 20% they will ask the question from the Selenium. Okay. So what is an interface? To learn from the interface. Riyaz, could you explain what is an interface? What is an interface? Are you there, you guys? Is not there. Interface.
Sorry?
Yeah, what is an interface?
Tell me again.
Interface in core Java.
Interface.
Yeah.
Oh.
And you have to
Interface.
First, listen my question. What is an interface? Why we are using an interface? What is the use of the interface? And where you have used interface in the Selenium? Yeah, go ahead. Don't stop, because they don't have a time. If you will stop, they will skip again. They will ask another. Anyone can? Gina, can you explain what is an interface? What happened? Something went wrong. Oh, my voice is breaking. Your I don't know. I think we disconnected. Anyone can explain who learn interface because I did not discuss in this session. Okay. I think I am expecting the answer from you. Yes. Go ahead. This is your very important. Like, if you go in the interview, same question they will ask. They will not ask any new question. Same question they will ask. How I am starting? Same they will ask. So you are 90% completed here only. Okay. Okay. What is overriding and overloading? What is overriding and overloading?
Redefine superclass non-static method in subclass with same prototype is called method overriding.
Okay.
Defining new method with existing method name but with different parameter or order is called method overloading.
I want to hold a structure of overloading, like how it is defined. What is the concept of rules of overriding?
Yeah.
So if I will tell, don't only speak your definition. I will start from definition, why we are using, how it is executing, what is the rules of this. You have to explain full story of this. Okay.
We can't hide our override method in the same class, means superclass, because we can't create two methods with same signature in a class. We can only do it in subclass, but we can't overload method in same class or in its
We cannot
subclass.
overload method in same class.
Yeah.
Anyone, this is correct. We can overload same method in same class.
Yes, we can overload in same
Yes.
class.
Yes. We
Yes.
can overload, but we cannot override.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on this. So my question is how overriding and method hiding and overloading is execution flow. I want to the execution flow, how it is executing.
Hiding and overloading method are executed from reference variable type class, whereas overriding method is executed from current object class, right?
Yes. Okay. So this question I taught for every batch. What is a static and non-static member, and what is the execution flow of this? What is a static and non-static member, and how a static and non-static member are executed?
In static control flow,
Okay.
when subclass is loaded, JVM identifies static variable, static block, static method, and main method from superclass to subclass in order they are defined to top to bottom. It executes static variable, static block from superclass to subclass in the order they are defined.
Okay.
Finally, it executes main method from current loaded subclass. If it does not contain main method, JVM execute main method from superclass. If there is also not found, it runtime error is java.lang.no such method. Okay.
I want the list of the static member. How many types of a static member is there? Anyone can others tell how many types?
Yeah,
of,
four
Go ahead.
type.
Mm-hmm.
Static variable, static block, static method, main method.
Mm-hmm. And what is the static member, non-static member? How many non-static member is there?
Same.
Non-static
Yeah.
member.
Non-static method.
Remind this non-static member. Anyone can others?
Okay. Yeah. Non-static variable, non-static block, non-static method, constructor, right?
Yeah. So constructor is new here, right?
Yeah.
Non-static member. Okay. So actually, if someone doesn't know, I already did not teach all this for Java. Wait for some time. A list of this question, every interview asking. Oh, no. Okay. What is the polymorphism? Polymorphism.
Sorry.
Polymorphism.
Polymorphism means having multiple forms. So by following polymorphism, we are defining multiple methods with same name, with same implementation or different implementation. We develop polymorphism with method overloading and method overriding.
Okay.
Overloading contains same logic with
Yeah.
different parameters.
We already discussed. Okay, overloading and overriding. Okay, so we'll not. Okay. What is the concept?
Hooks is a methodology. It provides a reason for implementing real-world object in programming world. Hooks concept are given for implementation of real-world object in programming world. for automating at real-world business operation by achieving security and dynamic method dispatching. For representing real-world object, OOPS has a concept called class. For achieving security, OOPS has a concept called encapsulation. For achieving DMD has a concept.
Okay.
Concept abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism.
Okay.
Representing and
I got it. So you have to not tell this answer, okay? Someone others will tell what is an array, what is the use of an array, and why we are using the array. There you have to not tell. Someone will. I taught this array in the
Okay,
first
okay.
lesson.
okay.
Hey, first session, when I am starting demo class, after few days I explain this array. So what is the array? What is the use of array? Why we are using this array? So you guys will tell.
An array is used to store a collection of data. Use of array, like suppose we want to say, like if you want to store multiple set of data, then we use array.
Okay. Yeah. Just what you have to
And
do.
it is
Yeah, go ahead.
and it is most widely used in Selenium, like to storing the list of web elements.
No, list is the coming from collection, not an array. Okay, no problem. So anyone can others explain this an array?
It is comfortable to store multiple data of the same type in an array.
My question is, can we store heterogeneous data value object in array?
No. It is only possible in object
Class. Okay.
object class.
So what is the disadvantage of an array and why we are going for the collection?
Like as you mentioned, like we cannot store heterogeneous set of data in array. We can store only homogeneous set of data. So that is why we don't use array. We use collection.
We can store heterogeneous also by using object class. So
Yeah,
we have a solution of this, but still we some more problems with array besides problem, right? So it is not.
Yeah, but once we define, we cannot change it.
Yeah, first disadvantage of an array. Second disadvantage of an array, we don't have any inbuilt method. Like if you want to be add, if you want to be remove, then you have to write your logic. But in the collection, they have implemented already. So what I have to do, if we are using the collection, first we can increase and decrease the size. And another thing what we can do, we have a lot of the libraries, like you add the data, you can delete the data. Simply we can call this method and we can use. So this is your major difference, disadvantage of an array. That's why the this collection came when using an array. Okay. So what is how many you have to explain what is the variables? How many types of variable and what is the variable in the core Java? Hey, explain what is variables. So okay, so not an issue, guys. So what I explained today, I will